Hi, I'm Vicki. Welcome to Make Life Special and another visit in Vicki's kitchen. Today we're going to make one of my super simple appetizers. It's a chili dip that only has 2 ingredients, Velveeta cheese and a can of chili without beans. We only need 1 pound of Velveeta cheese, and I've already cubed that, so we're going to put that in the pan and we're going to start melting it and adding the chili without the beans. I love having super simple appetizers like this that go together quickly and you can have it on the table for your guests in no time. So we just simply stir this and melt the cheese together with the chili. We'll be back in just a few minutes and I'll show you how to serve this. We're back. It took about 5 minutes over a low heat to stir this and get the cheese all melted with the chili, and it smells so good. Now I want to pour this in to my serving dish. I've already got the chips in it. Remember, let's share great food with our family and friends. Enjoy.